Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews by Prathamesh. Today I'm diving into a brand new tool I've personally been tested for the past couple of weeks. It's called ChannelBuilder AI. If you ever wanted to run a YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel without showing your face, editing videos, or spending hours creating content, this might be the shortcut you've been waiting for. So, ChannelBuilder AI is a complete 3-in-1 AI suite that help you build, automate, and grow faceless video channel all from one dashboard. And after using it to build out two test channels, I can confidently say this is not just another shiny AI app, it actually delivers. So, what is a channel builder AI? Channel Builder AI is an all-in-one, three-in-one suite for video creation, channel automation, and monetization. Whether you want to run a motivational channel, a kid story channel, or viral horror shorts, this tool takes care of everything: content creation, narration, design, publishing, SEO, and scheduling. Here its key features. So let's deep dive. Here's what makes Channel Builder AI complete faceless content system. You can create and monetize faceless channel, automatically run fully automated channel on YouTube, Insta, or TikTok. No camera, no voice, no editing. The AI engine does it all. Commercial rights included. You can sell your AI generated videos and automation services to clients, local business, or content creator. A great side income opportunity. Multi-network video creation. Create and publish content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Shorts, and Reels optimized for each platform. Auto format. Any size. Easily. You can auto format in these sizes if you see on the screen. Whether it's a widescreen, vertical, or square. AI animated story based videos. Paste in a script and channel builder AI transform it into a compelling animated narrative, great for story motivation or explaining viewers. Blog article to videos. Turn any blog post or article into a narrated visual video in second, ideal for repurposing old content. Script to video automation. Generate video directly from script enhanced by AI. Slideshow video creator effortlessly create videos from images and text. AI talking hard avatars. Realistic avatars with lip sync for dynamic presentation. Multilingual AI voiceover. Professional human like voiceovers in various language. Com- Customizable experience and gesture. Built-in stock library. Extensive music and sound effect. Auto-generated subtitle. Professional transition effect. One-click publishing, smart auto-scheduling, branding tool, advanced analytic dashboard, and you can choose a channel theme. Pick a ready-made theme like motivational horror or kid stories, or let AI craft your unique idea into a story. Second, add AI human narrators and art style. Like a select ultra-realistic narrator and choose an AI art style like realism, Pixar, anime, or free fairy tale. Custom if needed. Edit the AI script, tweak the timeline, or add custom image and clip using drag and drop tools. Auto rank and auto scheduling. Auto scheduling the video to post and have AI SEO suit. Auto rank your video, generate high CTR thumbnails, find trending hashtag, and more. If you ever wanted to build viral faceless channel without showing your face, writing script or editing videos, Channel Builder AI is the shortcut. Whether it's a side hustle or your main brand, this tool gives you the creative power and automation to run it like a pro. So here is my final verdict. Faceless video channels are the gold rush of the decades. You probably already know faceless AI video channels are the easiest business model to get started with a simplicity way to drive targeted traffic for free today. Plus, because AI can produce videos better than most humans soon, the businesses that leverage it in mass, we will content marketing this year and beyond, dominating old school frame. channels. So let's get pricing details and everything. What will you get? So Channel Builder AI is a way more than just a AI video creator. This makes entire channel and businesses. With the Channel Builder AI, you can automate entire channel 100% hands-free. Congress video, characters and theme, customize everything with timeline editing, auto scheduling post from the cloud, auto rank competition with AI SEO, find video topics and trends, proprietary custom stories, script writing, tons of video themes, and AI art style. Perfect subtitle creation, no credits or fees today only. And without channel builder, no mass video automation ability, no Congress video channel. You can see on the no AI SEO. So grab this unbelievable deal while it lasts. The price will increase every few hours. To support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, Magicflix AI and Faceless Reels will soon be sold for a monthly subscription after the special launch period ends. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only super low fees today, and both apps wait. However, you have to buy each separately in recurring price, and you are protected by ironclad guarantee. If you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity and channel builder is super easy to get a result after trying, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try to channel builder AI and can't get any leads or sales with this powerful AI video maker, just let us know and you will get full refund. Yep, you're entirely to get 40 days money back guarantee if you can't get channel builder AI to succeed right out of the gate. So here is the pricing. Builder AI starter included this following. You can see on the desktop only $27 one time price. But if you buy Channel Builder AI Premium include the following access you can see on the screen just only $37. Your low investment in protected by 40 days money back guarantee, and if you buy through my link you will unlock my exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Yes, you heard right. You will get my $44,000 bonuses absolutely free. So go and check the description box, click the link in box and grab the opportunity. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.